Good morning, dear children. In this video, we are going to learn about the computation of opening capital balances. Well, sometimes you may not be given with the opening balances of the partners directly in the question. Instead, what you are given with is the closing capital balances. So, in such case, we are required to work out the opening capital balances of the partners first before we can actually calculate interest on capital. This is because interest on capital is always calculated on the opening capital balances of the partners. Here we can start discussion of computation of opening capital balances in the next slide. Here you can see the calculation of opening capital, how to find out the opening capital with the help of closing capital balances. We will understand in this slide. Okay. As we know, in opening capital, we add the appropriations of the partners like amount of profit, salary or commission paid to the partners through which partner capital account increases, and then we deduct the amount of drawing, interest on drawing or whatever shares of losses obtained by the partners through profit and loss appropriation account, then we can get the amount of closing capital. But here, when there is only closing capital of the partners, will be mentioned in the question how we will find out the interest on capital, because interest on capital is only calculated on opening capitals of the partners. So we will do one thing to find out the opening capital, that is backward calculation. With the help of backward calculation, whatever items we were adding in opening capital, here we will less those from closing capital, and whatever item we were doing less from opening capital, here we will add to closing capital. With the help of this backward calculation, we can find out the opening balances of the partner's capital account. Here you can see in capital at the end of the year, we will add drawing against capital, drawing against profit. That means whatever the amount of drawing, we will add in closing capital. Interest on drawing, we will also add in interest on capital. Share of losses during the year, whatever the portion of losses being obtained by the partners, that also will be add in the closing capital of the partners. And now comes towards the less item. We will less the additional capital introduced during the year, partners salary or remuneration, interest on capital to the partners, share of profit being obtained with the help of profit and loss appropriation account, that will also less from the closing capital of the partners. With the help of these all activities, we can easily find out the opening capital of the partners. And with the help of this opening capital, we can calculate the interest on capital of the partners. I hope you have understood, and thanks for the time being.